Welcome back to City Foodie Farm. Today, it's all about the pollinators. This past summer, I really enjoyed watching all of the bees and butterflies land on all the flowers that I planted. So if you're looking to attract more pollinators to your garden, consider planting these. Zinnia Garden. This garden is probably my favorite in my yard. The flowers last almost all season, and all you need is a patch of dirt where you can sprinkle in some seeds. So simple. Echinacea, also known as coneflower. This flower is another favorite. It always has bees or butterflies landing on it. And they're not just pink. They actually come in red, white, many different colors. I've noticed my Echinacea do very well in full sun. Once they bloom, they last a long time. The next flower that I'll recommend is Blazing Stars. This one is planted right next to my Echinacea, and it is another perennial. It truly is a bee and butterfly magnet, and it's so beautiful. Bee Balm is my next favorite flower. I got this plant many years ago from my grandma, who is no longer here, but it comes back every year to say hello. And I'm so happy it does. This flower is a must in any garden. Bees love it. And it comes in a variety of colors: fuchsia, pink, lavender, white, and even red. Another must-have in your garden is milkweed. This one is an orange milkweed, which I never knew. I never knew that there were many different varieties. Usually you'll see the milkweed that is taller, more stocky looking, and this is the milkweed I'm talking about. It smells so good, but it's a great thing to have in your garden. If you need a fall bee magnet, you'll want to plant some sedum. Sedum is beautiful throughout the summer, and then when it blooms, it attracts tons of bees and butterflies. So make sure you have sedum. It actually, in my rocks, I actually ended up with a ton of baby sedums, and I was able to transplant them into my other gardens, which was wonderful. And lastly, basil. You will notice as your basil flowers, which normally you pinch off those flowers, if you leave them, the bees will go nuts over it. It will attract a lot of bees to your other gardens. And this is perfect if you have a vegetable garden. A lot of herbs flower, and the bees love it. And lastly, sunflowers. Don't forget those. But you will be surprised at what you attract in your garden.